welcome to my channel. My name is Sumedha and today I'll show you how to create this perfect festive look, and I will be taking you through all the steps. So it's a get ready with me video. So let's begin the look. Firstly, I'm just going to use this moisturizer from Nivea called Nivea Soft. So you can see it right here. A very easily available moisturizer. I think that the formula is very nice and it's not too greasy on my skin, but at the same time during winters when the skin starts to become a little dry, it hydrates the skin just right. So I'm just taking it on my fingertips and just massaging it within my skin. Next up, I'm going to use a primer which will make my makeup stay longer and make it easier for me to blend my makeup. So I'm using this primer from M.A.C called Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. Again, taking it with my hands, and this time I'm not rubbing it in like a moisturizer. I'm just applying like a thin layer of it all over my skin. Now let's begin with the foundation. Okay, so I'm using a Fit Me Foundation from Maybelline, which is in the color 128 Warm Nude. I am just taking the foundation on top of it and I would just be applying it all over my skin, just like that. So I'm just using this to give like an evenness to my whole skin and also to just brighten it up, that's all. Now it's time for the concealer. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal and it's in the shade Creamy Beige, and I would just be using it right under the eyes and around my nose. So to blend that, I'm using my beauty blender from Real Technique. It's a damp beauty blender, and I am just going to softly dab it under my eyes and just blend it out. Take my powder and I'm just going to add it all over. So the reason I'm also powdering the foundation and the concealer is because I want it to stay long, and I also don't want it to get too oily for the rest of the evening. So the more matte it looks, the better. And I'm just going to softly contour the face, that's all. So this one is like a super dark color, so you have to really make sure that you don't go overboard with it. So I'm using a blush palette from Inglot Blush and just blend it softly all over the apples of the cheeks and take it into the contour so they don't look like a stripe next to each other. It should look blended. So I'm using a highlighter from M.A.C called Oh Darling. I'm just adding a highlight to my cheekbones. And let's begin with the eyes. So I will be using Loaded Up pencil from M.A.C, which is like a shiny glittery brown eye pencil. I'm just using it all over my eyelid like a thick eyeliner first. So I'm just taking this and I'm just applying it like a thick eyeliner all over my eyelid. Okay, like this thick, and then I'm just smudging it using my blending brush. So I'm just smudging it all up. Just rotating the brush in a round motion, and I'm just smudging the top edge of the eyeliner that I had used. Once the eyes are done like that, I am going to apply an eyeshadow. So I'm using this palette from M.A.C called Mischief Minx, and I will be using this color over here. Okay, so for you can use any soft orangey tone or any soft orangey brown or an orange beige sort of a color. Okay, so I'm using this one. So I'm just taking it on my fluffy brush, tapping off the excess. So I'm just opening my eyes, fitting the brush into my crease, and I'm just going to and fro like that, like a wiper. So as you can see, you really have to blend it well within the crease. I'm not taking it all the way to the eyebrows. Simple, just like that. So let's go ahead. I'm just using another brown, which is again like a reddy brown, which is this one over here. So I'm just taking this and I'm just again applying it in the crease, but this time I'm not taking it upwards like the way I took the previous color. So I'm just darkening my crease with this a little. So the next thing I'm going to use is a darker brown, last color. and I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye and the till the crease. Do you see that? Just like that. Though I prefer to have a little bit of shine in it, so I am using this liquid glitter from Stilla, which is a liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I am just using it in the center of my eyelid. So I'm just gonna apply it right over here. Do you see that? Do you see that shine? That is what I'm talking about. Just taking the same fluffy brush and I am just blending it around. Like that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? So the moment I open my eyes, it's like, oh my god, I love it. Let's just end with the eye makeup. I'm just going to use a little bit of the same L'Oreal pencil and I'm going to just use it under the eye. So I'm not using it inside because it has glitter. I don't like to use it inside. It can become very uncomfortable. But I'm just going to use it outside the eye on the lash line. So right among the lashes, I'm just adding a little bit of L'Oreal, mostly on the outer corner. I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I am just smudging that L'Oreal right over here. And I am just going to apply lashes, false lashes. Okay ladies, so now that we're done with the eyes, so let's go ahead and use the lipstick. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Icon, and I'm just going to apply it all over. I don't really need a lip pencil with a lipstick like this. But if you feel that you have any issues making the edges clear and precise, then please go ahead and use a lip pencil. Otherwise, this is perfect by itself. So, as you can see, this is the final look. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think you want to see another makeup look maybe? So please let me know down in the comments. I will just go ahead now and wear my earrings, wear a little bit of jewelry, set my hair a little better, and then I'll see you just now. So as you can see, I'm done with my jewelry, I'm done with my hair, and this is the final look. So ladies, be the pataka of the party with this makeup look. Wear a nice outfit. This look can work with any outfit they're wearing, any color, any jewelry. This would go. If you want, you can change the color of the blush and the lip and use the same eye makeup. You can experiment with the same techniques and use different colors. So the possibilities are unlimited. So please go ahead, try this look, and I'll see you next time. Until then, toodles!